All right, let's bring out our next single lady. What's your name and age?
I'm Sammy. I'm 22 years old.
All right, Sammy.
Sam, I'm not feeling this outfit at all. I ain't feeling this outfit at all. The eyelashes, none of it, man. I think she could have did something completely different, and it could have possibly swayed the guys to give her. I think a lot of dudes gonna pop on
You do.
her.
I'm an admin at a hospital.
Okay.
And it ain't
what are we
that ain't the
looking
reason
for?
why they pop.
I need someone that's just gonna be in is ready for a committed relationship. If not, then that's okay.
Are there any red flags that we're trying to dodge?
Liar, bad breath, hygiene. Yeah, if you can't dress, which I don't. Are good.
You like what you see
Yeah,
so
I like
far?
what I see.
All right, so we do have a few pop balloons. Let's go check it out real quick. All right, can I get your name and age?
I'm Cornell, 33.
And Cornell, what do you do?
I'm a tattoo artist.
All right, and why did we pop our balloon?
Cause she's 22. You know me, I'm 33, so that's kind of a big age gap.
Damn, oh yeah, she.
And yeah, she's 22.
It's just the age
Yeah,
thing.
but she cute though. I like the little chocolates, Rob. You know what I'm saying? But
Her skin is glowing. I'm gonna give her that.
yeah, she fair, but I don't think she ready.
But I guarantee you, if she would have presented herself a lot better, it probably been some people, baby. Again, mindset, the way that she carries herself, it's a chance.
For me though, she got to be this tall to ride this.
You
ride.
mean you're not ready for me?
Probably.
Oh, okay.
You might be right, babe. You might be able to learn me something.
Okay.
You know.
Can you just put up your glasses real quick?
Yo,
Okay.
right. I'm easy on the eyes.
All right, is he someone that's your type?
No.
No, and
But
why
he
not?
is handsome though. It's just I don't really find him attractive. Yeah.
All right, let's go on down to the next one. All right, can I get your name and age?
I'm Dex. I'm 34.
And Dex, what do you do?
I work in marketing management.
All right, and why do we pop our balloon?
Probably the same reason. She's 22. I'm
Yeah.
34, and 12-year-old. That's kind of a lot for a young 22. Is she in the healthcare? You in the healthcare field? Yeah. She pursuing her career. So to kind of, if she was to come into my situation, that'd be, just
You want someone a little more established?
A little more established. Yeah. So that's the only reason. Yeah, very beautiful. Love the outfit, chocolate. She's beautiful, but just not for me.
All right, and is he someone that's your type?
No.
No, and why not?
Same thing. I just don't really find him attractive. Yeah.
All right.
It's all good.
All right, let's go down to the next one. Can I get your name and age?
Nick, 25.
And Nick, what do you do?
I carry mail.
All right, and why did we pop our balloon?
First, I want to acknowledge, she's really pretty, she got that, she's like Florida Evans reincarnated, and I always like Florida Evans.
Yo, he's showing out, bro. He's showing out, man. Florida, is that the lady from Good Times?
I think so.
Man, ain't no in the world. Hold the hell up. You know what?
No, that's F.
Florida. Evans. Florida Evans. Florida Evans. You know what? I can kind of see it though. I can kind of see it a little bit. Huh. Take that off. Give her a little fro. That boy diabolical, boy. He's showing out for that. He's showing out for that right there. Do she even know? She might not know the reference because she's only 22. She might not. Look at the host. The host is just you mother. Oh man.
Of good times and
Uh-huh. Yep.
y'all know the rest. But
Oh, I think she do know.
She seemed like she deserves somebody like that's just a little bit more serious. Her saying I'm goofy,
Like
you
James.
know what I mean? I'm still trying to mature a lot. So that's
You said you're 25? She's 22. You both have room to
Yeah,
grow with
yeah.
each other.
yeah.
But nah, I'm good. She
I'm
not
too much of a
attractive.
goofball.
All right, is he someone that's your type?
No, like you say, he's just very mature, and I need someone that's mature, you know?
Immature.
Yeah.
Okay.
I need someone that's mature. You just said you're immature.
Yeah, but
But I like
said
Ryan.
somebody.
Yeah.
That means a lot. That really means a lot.
Let's go on down to the next one. All right, can I get your name and age?
My name is Quincy, and I'm 29.
And Quincy, what do you do?
I am a photographer.
All right, and why did we pop our balloon?
You're too young for me, baby.
That's fine.
You're too young.
That's
you
fine.
I know they said it, and they gonna say it too. You beautiful.
Thank you.
Did your makeup right? Yeah, you did.
Thank you.
Said you should go outside tonight. You gonna steal somebody's husband tonight.
No boy,
Oh,
Kevin.
I don't want
She was trying to steal one of y'all.
I mean,
Right.
the balloons is pop, so that's done. But you know,
That go.
congratulations, you're beautiful. But,
Congratulations, crazy.
yes,
But thank
yes,
you.
yes. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you so much.
Is he someone that's your type?
No, but I love the dimples. You're very handsome.
I appreciate
You
it.
look good.
So what's not your type then?
I think I just don't really,
Don't say nothing about She lying.
I don't know, like I just don't really see a spark.
Oh, so it's more of like a connection vibe
Yeah, I
type
don't-
of
I
thing.
don't
It's
have
not the
any connection.
appearance,
No,
but
it's
that
not
connection.
appearance. None of
Gotcha.
that, yeah.
All right, let's go down to the next one. Can I get your name and age?
How you doing? I'm Ferrari and I'm 26.
And what do you do?
My family owns the biggest dispensary in Houston, EMF.
All right, and why did we pop our balloon?
She has very beautiful skin. Like my boy says, you very put together, you know, nice physique, pretty face, but you're just not my type, you know? And that's just my personal preference.
Okay.
And what is it
Uh-oh.
that
Uh-oh.
you don't like?
Yeah,
What's your
yeah.
type?
Yeah.
I wouldn't say you're not my type. I just know I don't even want to
It's just the age.
No,
Yeah,
it
that's
ain't the age.
yeah, that's
Yeah,
the
come
age.
on,
I
man.
felt
You
like
got
that was a cop-out.
Yeah, it really was.
Like that
Thank you for
now.
calling it out.
Come on, we dropped a lot of compliments. Come on, we're here to learn what your type is, what you're looking for. So
Come
what
on,
is
brother.
it for?
You can be honest.
I don't know. I just wouldn't I wouldn't look at her and just be like, let me go introduce myself, you know?
Yo,
Like,
hey.
if you came up
was
to
on
me, I would
something.
speak, but I wouldn't
He
just
was
go.
on something.
You know, and I
Don't
want
lie.
something that I'll just, like, I have to say something. I have to, you know?
I get that. Yeah.
No, I don't get that. I feel like if I approached you, I feel like you would have given me my number, but you know.
Yeah,
What?
like I said, I would, if
Yeah.
you came to me, I was,
Or if you came
came
to
to
me,
me.
too.
I need to, like,
Yeah.
He's saying he's looking for that push to see, like I want to go for her.
Oh,
That's what
gotcha,
he's saying.
gotcha.
I seen you out and about,
He
and
wouldn't.
like, you're like, oh, I gotta say something. It just wasn't given that. Like you said, a spark.
Yeah.
But, you know,
No
love your
worries.
skin.
No worries.
Yeah. And is he someone that's your type?
He's very handsome. Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Am I the first guy you said your type?
I think
You
so.
said no to everybody, so.
Very handsome.
The boy trying to point that out. I was wanted to make it clear. Yeah, because I thought she was gonna be lying. So okay, so maybe she do got a type. Because I thought when she had this little interact, I thought she was just being salty with this dude or whatever.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that for sure.
Of course.
All right, it's going
Are
down
you
to the next
smiling real
one.
hard? Okay.
You look
It's
good.
okay. I know how to do. Look at you looking
Hey,
at
don't
me.
make us dive back now.
Let me tell you something.
Can I get your name and age?
Rome, 34.
And what do you do, Rome?
I'm a producer, artist, engineer.
All right, and why do we pop our balloon?
Just the age gap, you know. I feel like, I done been through some things, so I need me a woman that's done been through some things.
What I just say? What did I just say? What did I just finish saying, boy? I'm telling you, I know that look, bro. I know that look. I'm like that. I'm telling you, I know that look. Come on, kill me, boy. I tell you. What did I say? I was going for Lord.
So, that's it.
Okay. And is he someone that's your type?
Yeah. He's very handsome. Yeah, there's nothing wrong about him. He's not ugly. He's cute.
You're not ugly either. You're very pretty.
We kept that response very neutral, but okay. All right. All right, let's go down to the next one. Can I get your name and age? All right, and what do you do?
I do HVAC.
All right, and why do we pop our balloon?
It's just not my type, to be honest. I just feel like it's not for me, so that's really my only reason. Other than that, though, you're beautiful though, and you're cute, but it's just
Got you.
I wouldn't approach you if I was like outside, you know.
Just stop.
It's not for me.
Stop, bro.
All right, is he someone that's your type?
No. Oh, sorry. No, it's not my type.
No? Oh, anything specific?
I just don't really find him attractive. I don't see a spark or anything like that.
The matching chocolate smooth skin?
I mean, he has very nice skin. I just don't really find him attractive.
All right. All right, let's go on back down, Hood.
Man, that Florida Evans was definitely.
All
I
right,
think
so that was all the pop balloons. It was a blast having you, though. Thank you.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa.